Today is day 4 namin sa Bohol. Medyo late na. It's around 2 o'clock na. Kanina nag-swimming lang kami. And yung flight namin dapat yung flight namin mga around 5 o'clock. Pero na-delay. Naging 7 p.m. I don't have plans to vlog this. Pero since ang dami naming time, why not? Vlog ko na lang. Since it's we're flying back to Manila and we're excited to see our cats. What I'm not excited for is balik trabaho na naman tomorrow. Kakain kami ng late lunch and coffee, chocolate, etc. So ayun, sulit, konting habol na trip for day 4 here sa Bohol, and we hope to come back here in the future. So we're here sa Lavara. It's a restaurant dito lang, malapit lang sa Bellevue Hotel. And we ordered oriental beef and parang pork chop nila. Sobrang delayed yung flight, maybe because of the weather. So hopefully smooth yung flight later, makauwi ka na maaga. So for now, lunch muna kami here sa Lavara. So meron yung old van. Kasi ba ng bus? Siya. Pero siyang outdoor dining. Pero if you want to, meron pang dining here, para siyang mga teepee. Yan. We'll enjoy lunch muna here. I'm not sure where next, pero baka mag-chocolate kami. Chocolate and then siguro coffee. Hanap na masarap na coffee. So kung babalik kami here, baka yung next hotel namin sa Modala. Kasi meron kaming free accommodation for 2 days and 2 nights. So kung mapadpad kayo here sa Muadto, andito kami sa The Chocolate Chamber. Especially nila mga chocolate, hot chocolate, different kinds of chocolate, tablea basically. And ayun, habang umuulan, pinuntahan talaga namin itong lugar na to taste and try the chocolates that meron sila. So dapat isang araw mag-chocolate kami here, pero wala silang coffee. Back then, coffee kami. So we ordered the traditional, mas maalat daw siya, mas mapait daw siya. And we also ordered, I also ordered champurado naman. Maraming options, Spanish, Mexican, but the most traditional, medyo mapait. Yung gusto ko sa mga hot chocolate, mapait. Most probably pagbalik namin here kasi mag-check-in kami next time pagbalik here sa Modala. Katabi lang to ng Modala. I think this is amenity ba tawag doon? Ng Modala. Dito sa Muadto Mall. So kanina hindi ko na-videohan yung lunch namin. Masarap naman yun. Lavara. Hindi ko na-videohan, so ito na lang sa The Chocolate Chamber ang video ko. Gutom kami. Bakit ba? Champurado. Hot chocolate. Yun, hot chocolate. Anong tawag dito?
Lemon scone.
Lemon scone. Ito natin. Chocolate. Sarap. Traditional. Merong Spanish, Mexican traditional. Matamis yung Spanish. Pero since may avocado, kuya, anong tawag dito?
Champurado.
Champurado ako. Okay yung bitter flavor ng hot chocolate. Kain lang kami.
You wanna try the lemon scone?
Peters. So one of the things that I love here in Bellevue, yung complimentary drinks nila. So before leaving for the airport back to Manila, sulitin natin yung drink. So mga 2 each. Para mas fun. Lemongrass and infused water. Another one. Sarap eh, hindi siya ganun katamis. And sulit. Best of all, it's free. Then infused water. Hintayin nila kami ng car. Going to the airport. Malas. That's it. Thank you for a free water. On our way to the airport.
Cellphone sa bag, kasi sa tray.
Hello, okay lang?
Laptop dalawa ko. Iwalay lang pa po na isang tray ko. Subarit lang lang.